Good morning children. Today we are going to learn about lesson 7, a house. My needs shelter. Where do you live children? Yes, we live in a house. House is a place where our family lives happily together. Like food and water, house too is one of our basic needs. The early humans used to live in caves or on trees. Slowly they learned to build houses. Food and water are our basic need, like house too is one of our basic needs. We live in a house. A house protects us from rain, cold, heat, dust and insects. It also protects us from animals and thieves. We keep our belongings safe in our house. House keep us safe from rain, cold, heat, dust, insects, wild animals and thieves. We feel safe inside our house. Types of houses. There are mainly two types of houses, kacha houses and pakka houses. A house made of mud, sticks, straws and leaves is called kacha house. They are mostly seen in villages. They are weak and do not last long. These kacha houses are made up of mud, sticks, straws and leaves. These houses are not strong. Houses which are made of bricks, wood, cement and steel are called pakka houses. Pakka houses are mostly found in towns and cities. Nowadays, pakka houses are found even in villages. They are much stronger than kacha houses. See, this is pakka houses. Pakka houses are made up of bricks, wood and cement. These houses are very strong. Do not forget, we must keep our house and surroundings clean. People in cities live in independent houses or in multi-story buildings. In these buildings, there are many flats or apartments. See, this is multi-story buildings. Skyscrapers are very tall buildings. Dash are very tall buildings, skyscrapers, which may even have 100 stories. See, this is skyscrapers. Most people work and settle down in one place. Some people live in temporary or moving houses such as caravan, tent, houseboat, etc. These are temporary houses. Caravan, tent, houseboat. Do you know Burj Khalifa in Dubai is the tallest building in the world? Now I will explain temporary houses. First one, caravan. A caravan is a house on wheels. Nomads lives in caravans. It is movable and can be parked anywhere. See, this is a caravan. Caravan is a mini home on a wheel. It can be easily moved from one place to another. Tent. A tent is a temporary house made of canvas. It is easy to put up. It can easily be folded and carried to any other place. Tents are mostly used by mountaineers, military and picnic campers. See, this is a tent. Tent is made up of clothes. It can be taken from one place to another. Houseboats. Houseboats are houses which float on water. Many people in Kashmir live in houseboats. This is houseboats. Some people live in houseboat. These houses floats on a lake. Generally, houseboats found in Kashmir and Kerala. People live in very cold regions build houses of snow and ice. Such houses are called igloos. Igloos are dome shaped. This is a igloo. Igloo is made up of snow and ice. Eskimos live in igloos. Generally, they are found in cold countries. For example, Iceland. At places where it rains a lot, there is always a danger of flood. People build stilt houses. At such places, stilt houses are wooden houses which are supported by wooden poles. They are built at a height. See, this is a stilt house. A stilt house is a built height on the bamboo poles. See, such houses are built in places which very high rainfalls. Do not forget, in India, Assam, Bihar, Odisha and Andhra Pradesh are the flood-prone states. These are flood-prone states. Houses that are built in any place depend on many factors such as first one, the building materials available in that area, the climate of that place, the needs of the people building the house. Let's go over. Like food and water, house is also our basic need. Food, water, house, these three are our basic need. A house protects us from heat, cold, rain, dust and animals. There are many kinds of houses. Houses built in a place depend upon the building material, available needs of people and climate of that place. Thank you. The next day I will give the question answers.